Good evening. Hello, dear students. Hello, dear learners. So today our topic is preposition of the time. So we know that we have the prepositions on time in, at, and on. So we can see in is used morning, afternoon, evening, November, summer, and in years. At we use with o'clock, at the moment, noon, night, midnight, and weekend. And on we used on the days of the month, dates I mean, on weekdays and maybe Sunday afternoon. Correctly we say when in that day. So let's listen to it.
You relate.
Prepositions of time. Page 81. Listen and repeat.
Jane goes to school in the morning. She has lunch at noon. She goes to the park on Sunday.
So we'll listen about the Jane. So let's take them. So write in, at, or on. So on Tuesday afternoon, at night, on Wednesday evening, at 10 o'clock, in 8021. So in the spring, in afternoon, on Saturday morning, at the weekend, then on Thursday, on May 1st, in the evening, on Sunday evening, in 1912. So the other in January, at midnight, in the summer. So on March 2nd, at 7 o'clock, in August. So my birthday is on June 25th. Ben's holiday in Spain at the moment. I go to beach in the summer. And they always eat lunch at noon. She usually watches TV in the evening. Is your birthday in February? My friends go to the park on Thursday afternoon. Let's meet at on Thursday, Tuesday. He always gets up at 7 o'clock. My sister's birthday is on January 27th. So, prepositions of the time. Again, choose the correct item. Dad usually cooks in the morning. School starts in September. They usually go to work at 8 o'clock. Children don't go to school on Sunday. The baby is sleeping at the moment. We usually watch TV in the evening. My birthday is on April 5th, 15th. We go cycling in December. I'll go to the cinema on Tuesday evenings. So, in the autumn, on Sundays, on Saturday afternoon, on Wednesday in 2002, in the winter, at noon, at the weekend, at 6 o'clock. So let's listen it.
Exercise 4, page 82. Write the words or phrases in the correct columns. Listen and check.
In the morning. In the autumn. In 2002. In the winter. At night. At noon. At Christmas. At 6 o'clock. On July the 4th. On Wednesday. On Sundays. On Saturday afternoon.
Unit 15.
So we have listened to it. Let's check the other. Write in at or on. We have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch at noon. We have dinner in the evening. He usually goes to the park on Sunday afternoon. They usually play tennis on Saturday. We usually go swimming in the summer. We usually have breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's cold in the winter. It's rainy in the autumn. Jim doesn't work at the weekend. So, the other one. Write in at or on. They start work at 8:13 in the morning. Her birthday is on July 9th. The children are doing their homework at the moment. It's hot in the summer. He usually stays at home in the evening. Joe usually does his homework in afternoon. Mom and Dad go to the cinema on Sundays. Dad usually works in the garden on Saturday afternoon. Mom's birthday is on 10 March. So, dear Sally, it's my birthday on April 21st. I hope you can come to my party. The party is on Saturday. It starts at 5 o'clock. We can play outside in the afternoon and we can dance in the living room in the evening. The party finishes at 9 o'clock. See you on Saturday afternoon. Love, Emma. So, the next one. Max and his family go to the beach in the summer. They stay in a hotel. Max gets up at 10 o'clock in the morning and swims in the sea. At noon, he eats lunch with his family. He plays on the beach in afternoon, and at 5 o'clock he goes back to the hotel. He goes out with his family in the evening, and he goes to bed at 11 o'clock at night. Max loves summer. So it's a speaking activity. We need a partner to speak it, but we will stay this part. So let's see on the next videos.